Starting off with 200 grams of desiccated coconut, 200 grams of white sugar, 250 ml of water, 300 grams of chocolate, 1 teaspoon of plant-based milk, and 90 grams of coconut oil. We're going to start by adding in the water and the oil to a pan, melt it down, then add in the sugar and the coconut and give that a good stir for around 10 minutes until you can split it down the middle and you'll see that it's dry but still moist. Next, we're going to refrigerate that mixture for at least 2 hours or 1 hour in the freezer. Now, just before that's ready to come out, we're going to melt our vegan chocolate. If it's dark, add in a teaspoon of plant-based milk just to make it a bit less bitter and give that a good stir. And while that's melting, we're just going to shape our bounty. Next, we're going to dip the coconut into the chocolate and refrigerate that once again. And there you have it, folks, vegan bounty. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like, a subscribe, a comment down below. It's always most appreciated. I love you all. Ciao for now. See you on the next one.